All right, so you made some profits. You've made some profits in crypto, and now you want to take some of those profits and actually use them in the real world. Maybe you want to pay off a loan, pay some bills, go on holiday, whatever. You want to take some of those profits and actually use them. The problem is sometimes there are barriers bringing those funds from exchanges to your bank. Maybe your bank doesn't accept cryptocurrency, or maybe you don't have a bank account, or maybe you have your crypto in hot wallets or online wallets such as MetaMask, and you just can't bring it over for whatever reason. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a debit card online and offline on ATM machines. We're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Bridget Fans. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Bridget Fans.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul. If it's your first time here, this channel is all about crypto, all about cryptopreneurship. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can spend your crypto using a debit card, or you can use this online, you can use this for shopping, you can even use this for ATM withdrawals, you can even give it to your girlfriend so she can go shopping, so she can leave you alone, so you can work, and she can go do whatever she does.
Baby, can I buy a dress?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Actually, you may not want to do that. Be careful who you lend your debit card to, but you can use a debit card around the world, and you can do that by using SwipeX. SwipeX lets you use your crypto for your everyday expenses, whether that's online shopping, paying bills, dinner, whatever. So you actually get a debit card that you can use for your everyday expenses. Now, keep in mind that this video is not sponsored, but they have sponsored a previous video, Flyback, and I do have an affiliate link in the description down below. I have used the virtual version card of this, but make sure you do your own research as always. So SwipeX lets you pay your everyday expenses with over 20 cryptocurrencies. You can very easily convert your crypto to cash, and you can actually do that with their versatile debit cards. That way you can skip the hassle of traditional banks asking you where you got your crypto, and we don't accept crypto and all that crap depending on which country you actually live in. You have practical spending power, and you have the freedom to spend globally. You can actually use these cards anywhere in the world, whether you are in Europe, whether you are in Dubai, like me, whether you are in the US, doesn't matter, you can use these just about anywhere. And as a prime example, you can use these on Amazon, Starbucks, Airbnb, Booking.com, you name it. So how does this work? How do you spend your crypto directly without needing to cash out to your bank first? Well, first of all, you can get a virtual crypto debit card. And basically this works by funding your virtual debit card. Your debit card is actually online, but you can actually use Apple Pay or Google Pay with this and actually pay anywhere you want with your phone. Or you can use a physical crypto debit card. And here you can actually enjoy the freedom of shopping with a physical crypto debit card the way you're used to every day. It's actually metal, so it looks really cool, and you can actually hit someone with it, load it up multiple times, use it where you want, and you can even withdraw cash from an ATM machine. Now, this does require light KYC. I believe it's name, email, and phone number, maybe an address so they can actually send you the card. But again, very easy, no questions asked, and you can actually use this. And then you also have the option of using a gift card. You can actually use these gift cards for gifts, or you can use them yourself. You can use them on Amazon, Spotify, Netflix. Basically, you can use these cards for your everyday or monthly activities, or even send them to your friends, family, whatever you want to do. So basically you have that option as well. Now, before I go on, I need your attention, so please pay attention here, because while these cards are awesome, they're remarkable, they have a use case, we can actually use these in crypto, you have to understand that you need to take a few things in account. Number one, you need to do your own research, because while I've used the virtual version of this, I'm gonna order the physical card and try it out. but you need to be careful, you need to be vigilant. So I suggest you have a crypto wallet, you bring funds into the crypto wallet that you want to use, and you don't bring over the entire amount to the card, you bring over the amount you want to use. Be careful. You never know what can happen. Use this or treat this as a crypto exchange. Number two, just because there's no KYC and just because that bank that they use may be in Panama and may not report, that does not mean you should not pay your taxes or use this in a way for you not to pay your taxes. You have to pay taxes. You have to stay legal. I'm not your dad, of course. You can do what you want, but it's on you. Don't do anything stupid. And number three, make sure you do your own research. Yes, the Crypto Factor says this is a good card. The Crypto Factor used the virtual version. The Crypto Factor is ordering a physical card to try out. But do your own research. I'm a human being. Shit can go wrong. I'm not saying they will go wrong. I'm just saying shit can go wrong. So take full responsibility here. With that said, let's go on. Let's get back to the video because this is really cool. So here are your debit cards. The first two have no KYC or very light KYC. We'll talk about the third one in just 1 second. But you have a virtual card. This can be used anywhere, up to $1,000 per card. So you have to buy a bunch of these cards and you can use them, but you can use them with your Google Pay, Apple Pay, and so on. And basically you would use your phone. You would go shopping, you would use your phone just like you would with your other credit cards. It's in your wallet, so to speak. But you can only do up to $1,000. Then the card goes void. But you can use it as many times as you want till those $1,000, if that makes sense. Then you have your silver card. This is also a virtual credit card, but this one you can top up multiple times, and you can actually have single transactions of $5,000, and you have a daily spending limit of $10,000. In a month, $100,000, again, works with Google Pay, works with Apple Pay, and this actually connects to your crypto wallet. It's reloadable, it's virtual, and has very light KYC. What do I mean by light KYC? Name, phone number, email. I think that's it. That's it. You don't need anything else. And just in case you're wondering, the bank is located in Panama from what I think, what I believe, but please do your own research. But basically, it's very easy, very friendly to use, but of course don't keep $100,000 in there. I mean, come on, just put in what you need to use and stay safe. Think of it as an exchange where you don't want to leave too much money on there. But again, it's connected with your crypto wallet, so you don't have to put the whole amount in. So as long as you're logical, it's logical. Then you have your gold card here. This is a physical card. This also requires soft KYC and your address because they need to send this card to you. But you have $150,000 limit in one transaction. It means you can go buy a car or even a house in some countries. You have a daily spending limit of $150,000, so you can only buy one car or one house a day. And then monthly, basically it's $150,000, so you can only buy one house or one car monthly. But it's reloadable. It's physical, it's gold, and it looks cool. So basically this way you can spend your crypto just like fiat. And not only that, you also have gift cards that you can actually use, which I mentioned earlier on. So these are your gift cards, Netflix, Spotify, Amazon, and you can use them in pretty much anywhere. Over 5,500 gift cards that you can actually buy with crypto. Be very careful because there are a lot of women's shopping stores here that you can use it at. And if you give it to her, you're done.
What, did Mickey Mantle sign those? Why are they $1,700? They made out of panda?
So basically you have a couple of convenient options here. Number one, you can use a virtual non-KYC card up to $1,000 a day. You just use it and buy a new one as needed. Or you can get a virtual debit card, reload it, have some amazing limits every day and use it like normal, or even get a physical card and you can even use that at an ATM. You connect your crypto wallets with the latter two, so your crypto is safe in your wallet and you only bring over what you want to use. I suggest you do that. I don't suggest you bring in more than you need to use, if that makes sense. Then you have the gift cards to give to your family, friends, and so on. Again, my link is in the description down below. Check it out, do your own research, but I do believe this is a very, very good deal. Check the fees, check if it's good for you. Obviously, non-KYC, so anonymity comes at a price, but check it out and I will see you in the next video. By the way, next video, right here. Almost forgot. Watch this video right here. Here.